Guys, Brian back here with another vet video. Alright, you can see we have had a breakout of this resistance here. Alright, you can see, get that exact there. You can see we're having a back test right now. Alright, you can see that back test happening right there. Okay, now this is this resistance goes back, oh geez, right after Valentine's Day, February 15th, 16th, right around in there. Okay, this down sloping resistance, we have finally broken through it. Okay, now looks like, what did we come down to here? Holy cow, 0.0133. Wow, what a steal for vet. That sounds like a great price. I love Vechain. It's one of the very first coins I bought when I got into crypto 4 years ago. Absolutely love the project. I think it has great potential. No question about it. Alright, so anyway, we got this back test here. Let's take the rest of it. We'll go right back to this chart here. I want to show you the rest of the market real quick. Got a lot of stuff out there. Real small reds. Okay, you got 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, you know, so you can see the market looks like it's coming around and gonna come out the other side here. Okay, you can see that happening here through these numbers. All right, so Vechain has broken out of this. Now if we look at the RSIs, we got the 12-hour on the floor. All right, we got the daily. The daily is correcting. Okay, we do have it coming down. All right, but that thing can spin right back up. Seen that happen a million times. We got the weekly going up. All right, which is fantastic. That's what you want to see. Look at that. Geez, look how far this thing's come down. It's crazy. We got that weekly heading up. We have the 8-hour on the floor. The RSI down here. It is at the bottom. We got the 4 is at the bottom also. Okay, so this thing's lining up for a move. Obviously Vechain is very follows Bitcoin quite a bit. Okay, now Bitcoin is let's see where Bitcoin's at right at this second here. Bitcoin is actually starting to make up some ground here, so this could cause a Vechain pump here, right? Bitcoin's down 200 bucks now. It's at 30,300. Take a roll. We'll just go over there real quick. The Bitcoin. Oh yeah, I caught that support here. I just did a Bitcoin video a little bit ago. Caught that support right down through here. If you look at the RSIs on this thing, let's move this out. Bitcoin's getting ready to make a move. No question about it. It came up to that 31,525. It needs to break 31,550, right around there. If it flips that into support, boy oh boy, everything is going to start flying. Okay, the 8-hour is on the floor. We got the 12-hour on the floor. Okay, the daily's just about there. The weekly is heading up and bullish, and we got the monthly heading up and bullish. So Bitcoin is about ready to make a move anytime here. The reason I talk about that 31,550 area, right? If you go back through here, you can see, and just to mention, guys, I am eligible for channel memberships now. So if you're interested in that, that's fantastic. If not, no big deal at all. Okay, but and there's also a link for MEXC. Great trading platform. I use it every single day. You can get up to $1,000 on sign-on bonuses on there, and if you use the link in the channel, obviously you get a little something for it. Okay, but anyway, back through here at 31.5 was support during the bull run. Right here. When we lost it, it became resistance. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit here, there you go. You can see it laying right on it there. Okay, then it became resistance, and now we just got bumped off of it again. I believe Bitcoin's going to make another run at that very, very soon, okay, which will obviously help Vechain take off. All right, this thing is, Vechain has been beat down to the bottom here. I'm surprised it's at these levels, quite honestly, okay. You know, almost got the bear market last time. This thing was way down here after the 2017 bull run. Okay, so we have held that level right there. Okay, which doesn't really look like a very significant area to me, you know. When you look back through the support areas, this is on the weekly, but anyway, all right, you can see that breakout more clearly now. Got that weekly RSI looking beautiful. I'm sure that daily's probably going to spin back up. We'll just it follows Bitcoin, so we're obviously going to have to wait for Bitcoin to make a move. Once Bitcoin does, I'm sure this thing is going to bounce right out of here, right? If we're looking for any kind of retrace on VET. I mean, a 618 or 702 is what we'd be looking for. You know, if we can zoom out on this thing, which, jeez, we did get a retrace back here. We got a 618 from the 21 bull run. We did get a retrace there for this thing, but you would be expecting this thing to get a retrace off this if the whole market runs, you know, with this retrace with Bitcoin. I'm sure, you know, or Vechain could take off, you know, just like XRP, it could take off into a new all-time high. You know, that could happen too. Bitcoin could be Bitcoin could break into a new all-time high. Vechain could take off and rip past everything. I believe that's going to hit $1 next bull run. I really do. No question. I was holding on to it, waiting for that buck, and it was hard to let go of. That's for sure. But I bought back in, and I'm holding on for a while now. You know, I'm hodling, like they say. But yeah, this thing would be, just to get up to that 618 would be up at 10 cents. 702 would be at 12. All right, so we'll have to see what happens when this thing eventually gets back up to them levels. It'll get there eventually, you know, no matter what, no matter how much time it takes. All right, so be keeping an eye on this thing. Watch this breakout. Let's zoom in. I'll give you some numbers to keep an eye on here. All right, that's support right at 0.0183. You don't want to lose that, okay? 0.0183. We don't want to lose that level. That's a very crucial support for this thing to keep going. Right there where we got that retest off of. So I'll be watching this thing. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks a lot for watching the video.